How to download apps on older Samsung Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To download the app on older Samsung Smart TV, all you need is a Samsung setting with Wi-Fi connection. If you have those, you can easily download the apps in your older Samsung Smart TV. So what you can do is you have to press on the home button on your remote. Then you can select on the apps option. At the top of the search icon, you can go ahead and type in the name of the app you want. Select it, then choose install. However, before you can download the app, make sure you have made yourself a Samsung account. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check for update of your Samsung Smart TV, or you need to clear the cache of it. For that, you can head over to the setting gear option, then check out for your system update. If there is any, make sure to up-to-date your system so that you never face any of such issue, or check out the clear cache option and clear the cache out. Then power off your TV and restart it again. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.